Are you pregnant and constantly staring into the fridge, wondering what's actually safe, healthy, and satisfying to eat right now? Today, we are breaking down 5 science-backed pregnancy superfoods that you can easily turn into quick, everyday healthy snacks that beat nausea, boost energy, and fuel your baby with exactly what they need to thrive, including exactly how much to eat, when to eat them, and the crucial safety rules you need to know. 1. Greek yogurt with berries and chia seeds. Greek yogurt protects your bones with massive calcium. Berries provide vital vitamin C, which helps your body absorb iron and boosts your immunity. Meanwhile, chia seeds add plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, which are absolutely crucial for your baby's brain and vision development. Scoop out 3/4 of a cup of plain Greek yogurt, half a cup of berries, and 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. How to prepare? It's incredibly simple. Just scoop the yogurt into a bowl, thoroughly wash your berries, toss them on top, and sprinkle the chia seeds. Give it a gentle stir so the seeds can absorb a little moisture. Best time to eat is mid-morning, around 10 or 11 a.m. It bridges the gap between breakfast and lunch beautifully, keeping your blood sugar completely steady. Always choose plain, pasteurized yogurt to avoid harmful Listeria bacteria. Skip pre-flavored versions loaded with added sugar, and sweeten naturally with berries instead. 2. Avocado toast sprinkled with pumpkin seeds. Avocados and pumpkin seeds deliver the essential fats, folate, zinc, and magnesium needed to build your baby's brain, prevent birth defects, and support cell growth. The right amount to eat is half of a medium avocado, 1 slice of 100% whole grain bread, 1 tablespoon of pumpkin seeds. How to prepare? Toast your slice of whole grain bread. Slice the avocado in half, scoop out 1/2, and mash it directly onto the toast with a fork. Sprinkle a tablespoon of pumpkin seeds over the top with a tiny pinch of salt or pepper. Best time to eat this superfood is in late afternoon or eat if you wake up feeling incredibly hungry. 3. Whole grain toast with almond butter and banana. Almond butter is loaded with calcium and vitamin E to help build your baby's bones and tissue. Bananas ease pregnancy leg cramps and nausea. The right amount: 1 slice of whole grain bread, 1 tablespoon of natural almond butter, half a sliced banana, and 1 tablespoon of finely crushed walnuts. How to prepare? Toast the bread, spread the almond butter evenly, layer the sliced banana on top, and sprinkle crushed walnuts. And check your almond butter label to avoid added sugars or hydrogenated oils. 4. Hard-boiled eggs with whole grain crackers. Eggs are practically a prenatal vitamin in a shell. They are rich in choline, which works with folate to build your baby's brain and protect against neural tube birth defects. Serve 2 large hard-boiled eggs alongside 5 to 6 high-fiber, whole grain crackers. How to prepare? Boil a batch of eggs at the beginning of the week. Boil them for a full 10 to 12 minutes to ensure they are completely firm. Peel them right before you're ready to eat, and plate them with your crackers. This is a fantastic post-workout snack or a late morning fuel-up if you know you have a busy, active day ahead and need sustained stamina. Cook eggs fully until firm to avoid salmonella. 5. Baked sweet potato wedges. Sweet potatoes deliver safe vitamin A for your baby's organ and vision development, plus complex carbs for crash-free energy. The right amount is 1 medium sweet potato, and a dash of cinnamon. How to prepare? Wash and scrub the sweet potato skin thoroughly. Slice it into wedges, toss them with 1 teaspoon of olive oil and a dash of cinnamon or paprika, and bake them in the oven or air fryer at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes until they are tender and lightly crisped. This is the perfect pre-workout snack if you are doing pregnancy yoga or walking, or a warm, comforting midday snack to satisfy a craving for something hearty. Always bake safe sweet potatoes until completely soft to help with pregnancy-slowed digestion. Fueling your pregnancy is simple with these safe, healthy superfoods, and always check with your doctor first to see what works best for you. Which snack are you making today? Leave a comment below, hit like, and subscribe for more quick pregnancy tips. Thanks for watching.